You're not gonna fly.
Try harder. Flap harder, man. I believe in you.
Hey guys, what's up? My name's Kendra and this is Michael, and we decided that we wanted to buy old furniture and see if we can fix it up, or old stuff, and see if we can make it look nice. We've never done anything like this before, so we're gonna give it a try. So right now we are on our way to Walmart to see if we can find some paint. The thing, it's called a coffee table, at least that's what they called it at Goodwill. Oh yeah, by the way, we got this for 99 cents. I know, a little expensive, but I mean, so we thought maybe we would video and take you guys with us and watch how many mistakes we can make and how much of an idiot we can make ourselves look like. That was not proper. Thinking about getting a new like knob or pull.
Here you go with that or that?
I don't know.
This one weighs more. Let's go with this one.
Okay. That one. That'll look nice. You barely left any chips. Okay.
You guys seem as disorganized as this shop is.
Why is there bird poop on here? This back panel here is loose, and so we were trying to figure out if we just want to glue it, or now we're wondering if we want to just pop it off, because this will most likely be against the wall. So, and then just sand that up a little bit, but we're not sure if we can sand it or not. Should we just take it off and try it? Nothing we're gonna do we know why we're doing it or what we're doing. This is our first thing that we have ever done anything like this. So do not come to us for advice by any means. Should we just rip it up? That feels like sandpaper itself. This is our camera guy. He's my brother.
Heater done, am I right? Okay. Oh, okay. That'll be okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Something that I've learned from watching YouTube, and which I do quite a bit of, is take it slow, because otherwise if you do it too fast, like if you paint it, or well, maybe not if you paint it, but like if you stain it, it'll leave like little swirly marks if you go too fast. We're putting glue in here because it's a little loose, like the veneer, and we don't want to take the veneer off the top. The only problem is this glue's not coming in.
The glue goes in here.
Oh, shut up, man. You do it!
I just
Did I put enough in?
Probably. What they're doing right now is just scuffing up the veneer a bit, just to give the paint a little bit of something to grab onto.
I'll get to work. Not all day. I might put that glue in here. You're not gonna fly.
Try harder. Flap harder, man. I believe in you.
Hey guys, if you're wondering, why the heck is your name Penguin Feather? That's what I'm like. What I'm doing here is tape. You want to take the paintbrush? You want to get and then you get. Ah! I don't know how to paint.
Paintbrush here in my.
So guys, it's been how many days since we were working on this?
Well, see, we aren't rich and famous, and so we have jobs. So let's see here.
But we could be rich and famous.
Like and subscribe. We got what, 2 coats on it, and yeah, and now we're getting ready to do our 3rd coat. That should definitely be the last coat, and then we need to wax it yet, and we have doorknobs that we want. Back this way, please. We have
But
doorknobs.
the chips are over here.
We have the doorknobs that we shouldn't be.
It's late. And I'm tired.
Grumpy, apparently.
And a little bit grumpy. Are you still gonna go?
Cut! Okay, it's cut now. New pencil.
This looks like a podium. You need to go stand behind it and give a speech, Kendra. Or Michael. Or both of you at the same time.
4 score.
That's what I was gonna say, Michael. 4 years ago, our forefathers brought forth to this continent.
Wait, what other side?
The back.
As in like flip it?
Yeah. No, not yet. Oh, should we?
Zoom in on my concerned face.
I was already in.
Chickens! Popcorn chicken, barbecue chicken, pork.
Is that-
And the cameraman looked upon them and said, "Let there be light."
Alfalfa, I hate you. Dear Darla, I hate your stinking guts. Your scum between my toes. Love, Alfalfa.
Got any Little Rascals fans in the audience?
Woohoo!
We gotta learn to read.
I got a pickle. I got a pickle.
Hey, hey.
A boomba. Got a burger to go with that shake.
Are we taking the front?
Yeah, I was just gonna use a tinier brush. though.
Yeah, me too.
What? Did you take anatomy?
Anatomy isn't your eye.
It's your body, you ding dong. Your
Anatomy.
eye is a part of your body.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Alan.
Comment down below.
Spit everywhere. Like that
You
duck.
can't even do Daffy.
Daffy.
Brush across, and I'm gonna put a layer of paint on the furniture. Crossways.
Which view do you guys think is better? This or this? This or this? This or this?
Ooh. Am I videoing?
I love it when the cameraman leaves. Guys. Wait, where's the thing I'm looking at?
Look here. Hi guys. Okay, what we doing here? We painted.
We're goofing off because the cameraman left.
Alan, edit that out, please. Seriously, Alan. We're being serious right now. Please. When I was a young lord.
You being naughty?
Huh? No.
What did you do?
No, it's nothing. No.
Are you recording right now or something? You're trying to do a spy cam on me? You see what I have to put up with?
We tell him it's not actually on.
This is on!
We were vlogging.
You were vlogging?
Yeah, man.
You mean you were making more footage that I have to edit?
Yep, you're
Yeah.
definitely gonna have to.
Oh,
edit
yeah,
that.
there is a part that we told you in the video that you're gonna have to edit.
Well, as executive editor, I may choose to ignore that.
We
Yeah,
did.
but we're the one paying you.
You're not paying me! They bought me like 3 slices of pizza. Now I'm indebted for 15 years apparently. Second coat is going on the back side of the door. Paint is drying fast. Guys, how are we feeling about the project?
Don't say backside. Family friendly channel.
The reverse side of this door has the second coat going on currently at the moment.
Don't be racist.
I'm excited that it's coming to an end.
So that was the third coat on. It was looking decent after 2 coats. Probably doesn't show up on camera, but things are moving along.
Can I take it out now?
Be very cool.
What?
Ooh, this used to be ugly. Yeah, we put paint under, or tape under there yet, remember? Careful! Can you not hear me?
I don't know, but probably not. If you can't hear, it's because we got the old space heater running. because it's cold out. It's 25 degrees right now. So we got the heater going. We got breath in the air. Breathe. Oh, turn that way and breathe. Oh, yeah, okay. Anyways, they've got to wax and probably fix this problem right here. Someone, we're not going to name any names, but someone touched the wet paint and left a fingerprint, and then Kendra tried to fix it, and she made it a lot worse. So we're going to try and fix that. What do you think about this project?
Go ahead, bud. I don't know. It turned out decent. Not quite as good as I was hoping, but not as bad as I thought it might be. Does that make sense? We did 3 coats, and then we waxed it. We added a doorknob, and yeah. We decided not to paint the inside because we're lazy. So, in the future, once we gain more experience and put ourselves into it more, I think we could make some things look really nice. Thanks for watching, guys, if there's any of you that are actually watching. And stick around. Maybe we'll have more projects like this in the future. We don't know yet what we're gonna do, but if you enjoy learning with us, then stick around. We might have other projects. So thanks, like and subscribe if you don't mind, because that would help us out to know that you actually like this and we should keep doing it. Yeah.